Hello students. Hello students. This video is all about student Vinesh sketching improvement journey. Let me explain step by step how he improved and how the changes came in his work. Okay. Number one, he is attending live classes. He is into the level 1 intermediate level. So he is attending live classes. He is getting the feedback on all the things in the live class. After that, we suggest him to take the 30-day sketching challenge. We have 30-day sketching challenge in the level 1 program. So when you take this 30-day sketching challenge, this is how your work will get improved. So when he started live classes, he is performing well, but still, when he started the 30-day sketching challenge, this is how this work. But when he is finishing the 30-day sketching challenge, his live class work also improved and his 30-day sketching challenge also is improved. We are going to briefly, I'm going to explain those things, okay? Cool, let's start now. This is just for the cover page I just created. That's okay, leave it this. Go to the next. See here. We need to understand how he is improved, so that helps how you can improve, okay? So when he's starting now, he's trying to do everything good, and I think he used the different old set of reference, so that's okay, cool. So he is trying to do shading, he trying to do details and all the things good. Successfully you can able to finish the overall sketch. Many people they don't do it, okay? But he done it, good. When you go to the next works, see he can able to pick it up the shapes. There is no much measurement problems. He's really doing the good way. Height, these all things are like height between here, this height and this. He can able to maintain the heights, measurement, there is no issues. See here. The work is looking measurement, there is no problem, but look and feel he need to improve, but he is continuing his work. So when he is going to the some other reference, here he is focusing more on the shapes. Yeah, see here you can see these lines. So it means he start using it. 1 second. He start using his all the techniques and method, whatever he is learning it in the live classes, that's what you can say this line at all he is creating, that is the method he is following. Here also he is using the method, he is creating the basic shape and he is correcting and redrawing the lines. Very good attempt. Here the line quality also is changed for the hairstyles. Sorry, I have some cold. When he is drawing here, the line quality is not that great when it comes to the hairstyle, but he is improved very nicely here. Good. Let's see. This is how step by step, area by area, you will be improving. Okay, you immediately you cannot improve all the areas. See here the eyes, the way he is drawing down. Let's note on this how he is drawing in upcoming works. This is the cute one, small one. Good. See here he is using the lines. Here he is making the lines. Here he have the lines, and here he have the lines. Good. He is planning the measurement very clearly and he is trying to make this. It's not easy things. He can able to maintain the distance and same time individual character thickness, everything is fine. Following the steps. Here also he is following the steps by drawing the shapes and he is going. Very good. When he start applying the steps and through the method he starts sketching it, the work is improving more nicely. See, very nice strokes. This line is very good strokes. And very nicely he made these strokes good. And coming here, this again the hairstyle lines, so there is something happens. Maybe he is sharp the pencil so more too much. Otherwise, we don't know. Sometimes suddenly our work will go little down. Maybe it's something like this happens, but it's good. Maybe pencil problem or book problem, I don't know. Eyes details went little too much of erasing work is happened. I think expression is good. Here he went more confidently. Good job. Following the steps. He is not steps means he is following the sketching method. Whatever method he has learned in the class, same things he is following here. When you draw, apply the sketching method. There's a lot of method and techniques. You learn it only in the live classes. Yeah. So when he's learn and when you apply, then the work will get improved. See here, the face cut, beautiful lines. Very good, very good. You made it well. Here Atal got full confident. Here also is improved lines. I don't think so. It's not ears. I couldn't understand what is this cloth or ears or hairstyle. I don't know. Good. but here he made it the pose. Cool. Improving. I don't know what happened here. This happens. Okay. There is no like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. There is no steps. You'll draw a couple of works very well. This also will happen in the live class. Yeah, live class. Some people will get stage 3, stage 4 rank. Suddenly they'll go to stage 2. That happens. It's art, correct? Suddenly this went down and slowly speaking. Maybe it's the first set of reference he done. Cool. Yes, he's trying to get the shapes more. He is focusing more on the shapes areas. Now he is focusing more on the line quality areas. Cool. I think he done 2 set of reference. See, now entirely things are changing here. Consistently he is drawing very good. When you look at before, he will draw well. Something is good, something is intermediate level, something is the basic level. There is up and down. This all the areas, correct? One is good, one is something is different. But when coming here, he start making it every single work more consistently good. Consistently, it's looking very nice. Good. See here. Cool. So here also is keep drawing it very well. Maybe he's, as I said, like he's using different set of reference. Cool. Nice. See here, detail is there. Consistently, he's doing good. This is how you also will improve. You don't see so much improvement in the first 10 to 20 works. After that, you will see consistent improvement. This line should go here. Yeah, he can change. Usually, this is the sketching challenge. Okay, not required much details. This is beautiful. He made it very nice. He know how to draw the block lines and how to correct this. Very good. By the way, he is drawing on the A3 sketchbook. It's not small sketchbook. He is using the bigger one. So he's learned fast. See this line, beautiful lines. He learned it. And hairstyle, very clear. He is not doing any mistakes in the thickness. Correct? Darkness areas, he is not doing mistake. He know how to draw lines. For the hairstyle, how to do it. This curve lines, very good job. Yeah, he reached the level, good level, because consistently he is doing good here and here, almost like when came here, he start doing it well here. Like this also, same things will happen to you. You will take some time. After that, you will be start sketching it more consistently nice. Here at all is fine. Maybe his number he's putting different. Maybe he's putting the reference sheet number. That's leave it. Yes. See so how he improved. This is how he is improved. This is his sketching improvement journey. Correct? When I suggest take for 30 days sketching challenge and finish, you also will improve on this particular way. Yeah, there is no doubt, because you are learning all the methods, techniques, process, everything from me in the live classes. After that, the live classes you also sketching along with me, correct? There's 2 things are happening. One is you are learning the method, techniques, process, principles and all the things. Second, you are also sketching along with me. That is a totally different experience. So the fear will go away when you sketch with along with other person who's already doing good. After that, when you take this 30-day sketching challenge, you should do it in individually. When you do individually, small up and down things will happen, but after that you will do really great job. Yeah, he completed his level 1. He went for right now in the level 2, I think, advanced sketching and coloring. So this is how he improved from this stage into this stage. Not in the live classes. This is for 30-day sketching challenge improvement. I'm talking about only the 30-day sketching challenge improvement. In the regular classes, your improvement is totally based on, we will validate based on the stage 1, 2, 3, 4 ranking. Yeah, definitely if you're doing 30-day sketching challenge, please do consistently, try to complete, then only the improvement will happen. You do, and if you take long break, the consistently will get cut, so the improvement will happen very slow. So when you take 30-day sketching challenge, finish it, get the better position and go for the next level. Yeah, I'll see you on the next success story. Let me show this. I think I should keep like this. Yeah, Good. See you. Take care. Attend live classes regularly if you're my students, and same time take the 30 day sketching challenge and finish it. You also will improve your works very well. Yeah. See you on the next video. Bye bye.